Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm plus size fashion editor, Kanako. Today, we are doing an Aritzia try-on haul video. I went to Black Friday sale and outlet store. I'm going to be showing you some amazing pieces I've purchased. Starting with the explanation about the outlet store, I went to the McArthurGlen Designer Outlet Vancouver Airport in Richmond. It is located near the airport. Take the SkyTrain Canada line. Get off at the Templeton station, and it is a short walk from there. It is very conveniently located because you don't have to have a car to get there. The Aritzia store is located at the far end of the outlet, with a much larger site and more merchandise. There are general outlet items, like items from past seasons, as well as some regular priced items, such as the popular The Super Puff, sweatpants, and hoodies. Outlet items are available in a variety of sizes, but to XS, XS, and extra large sizes are easier to find. First up is Aritzia's winter staple, the Super Puff down coat. Discounted The Super Puff was also available at the outlet store, but they were mainly in colorful colors, and I saw almost no neutral colored ones. Also, many of them were in small sizes, such as to XS and XS. There were also some long-length coat, which I wanted, but they were too small for me. If you can find the right size and favorite color, you are very lucky because you can get the popular The Super Puff at up to 50% off. Well, this is my first The Super Puff. It's mid-length and pale yellow color. Just when I was about to give up on finding the size and color I wanted, I came across this puffy coat. I think this is probably the color they were rolling out in 2022. I have never tried a yellow coat before because I like neutral color clothes like black, gray, navy, white, beige. But when I put it on, I loved it, and it was even nicer than I imagined it would be. I guess we could call it egg yellow. It's a pale yellow, so it can be worn in a similar vein to off-white or beige. It is also useful as an accent color for black tone outfits. The only size left was the extra large. I thought it might be a little big, but it was comfortable and loose enough to wear with a thick knit or fleece underneath. The price was $162.50, half of the $325 price. It is a very functional coat and has other useful points. It is machine washable. The Super Puff is made of water-repellent, wind-resistant ripstop fabric. It is built to withstand temperatures down to -30°C. In fact, when we looked for the warmest down that could withstand temperatures as low as to -40°, I knew it was the Super Puff long length. Now let me try on this down coat. This is so cute. It's pale yellow, but it's surprisingly easy color to wear, isn't it? The mid-length is long enough to cover up to the hips. I originally wanted the long length, but since I drive a car, the mid-length was probably just right for me. The cuffs have a separate liner, fabric with thumb holes, to prevent cold wind from entering. You can put on the hood and pull the string to cover your face tightly. I live in Canada where it is cold, and this would be great for outdoor use. At the end of this video, I will do a try-on haul using the items I purchased at Aritzia, so please watch to the end. Next, I bought a sweatpants. The color is white, and this is TNA's Cozy Fleece Boyfriend Sweatpant. I could only find size extra large, so it was a little big. But I'm able to squeeze the waist on the pants, so sizing was not an issue. The price was $29.99 for $75. This was about 60% off, and was the best discount I could find on anything I bought. The inside is made of fleece, so it is very warm. The firm, thick fabric gives it a high-quality feel. The rib side panel add a crispness to the white color, which tends to look expansive. When worn, it looks like this. It is boyfriend fit, so it has a slouchy silhouette. The fabric is thick, so there is no worry about underwear becoming transparent, even if it is white color. The rib transition on the side looks like this. Next up is black sweatpants. This is also extra large size. As I said, neutral color sweatpants are popular, so there were not as many sizes to choose from. This one also has a fleece lining. The price was $29.99 for $68. This is called Perfect Fit and a sleek-looking silhouette. The silhouette is lean and clean. The inside is fleece, so it is fluffy and comfortable to wear. Next are the accessories. These are my favorite scrunch socks. I was going to buy them at the regular price, so I'm very happy to find them on sale. The first socks are ankle length. The color is Cairo, a reddish beige. The socks are also marked down in the Black Friday sale, so check them out. The price was $9 for $12. Next, I bought 3 pair of scrunch socks. The length are crew, much longer than ankle socks I mentioned earlier. One is black and the other is a light pale gray called Heather Cloud White. I think Aritzia is good at creating nuanced color like this. The price was $21 for 3 pairs for $30. The socks are this long when extended. Here is what I have bought at the Aritzia outlet store so far. I will show you what I purchased at the Black Friday sale. First is the cap. I have a collection of new era caps, and the Aritzia exclusive color is so nice that I fell in love at first sight. I had been planning to buy this one before the sale and was lucky to get it at a reduced price. The price was $40.50 for $45. This fabric and color is Aritzia exclusive. The fabric is heather style, so it is not too sporty and easy to coordinate with your outfit. It is one size fits all and can be adjusted at the back. Here is a shot of the cap on. The color of the logo is the same as the color of the cap's fabric, so the logo does not stand out too much. And I think it is easy for anyone to wear. I chose the Los Angeles Dodgers cap because I am a big fan of Shohei Ohtani. But there are also caps of the New York Yankees, New York Mets, and White Sox. The last one is the bag. As you can tell from the fact that I buy a lot of accessories from Aritzia. Aritzia is very attractive not only for their clothes, but also for their accessories. I purchased this bag. I have been looking for a bag in this shape at a reasonable price for a few months now. I was very impressed when I found it at Aritzia. And what's more, the price was reduced from $78 to $38.99. The material is polyester with a slight satin-like sheen. It is very lightweight. It is a one-compartment bag with a small zippered pocket. It also has bottom rivet. Outfit with a super puff. Pale yellow coat is used as an accent to the black coordinate. The cap and bag are also purchased at Aritzia. White sweatpants are the main component of this monotone look. I like to match sweatpants with sneakers, but this time I put the hem of the pants in mid-length boots. To create a cool atmosphere, the amount of white is reduced and the amount of black is increased, making it look sharp. The last outfit is black sweatpants with black sweater. The beige color of the cap was repeated with the stolen shoes. Did we also convey the excellence of the Aritzia cap and bag? How was my first Aritzia haul? Enjoy Black Friday and outlet shopping. Some Aritzia items will be linked down below in the description box if you want to check out. I will be making more videos in English. I would love for you to hit the subscribe button. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye guys.